Welcome to Six Sigma Mania. Goleansixsigma is one of many companies providing Six Sigma training and certification. It was one of winners in my research where I compared 11 different green belt and black belt providers. In this video I am reviewing Goleansixsigma Green Belt Online Training and Certification. I evaluate different course aspects with positive, negative, or neutral sign. I would like to emphasize, that video is not sponsored. It is done just to introduce more details of what to expect from online course to broader audience. It is my personal view, what I find positive, and what are cons of this training. Type Goleansixsigma.com to enter company sites. Find the link under the video. There is yellow belt and black belt training, company is providing too. Our scope is green belt training and certification. This is how green belt training and certification info panel looks like. You can get there by clicking green belt on the main site. Green belt price is $399. But they are offering discounts very often, if you sign in with your email. It can be up to 30% discount, I believe. So, if you would like to use this training provider, this is the way how to save some money. Course price is on the cheaper side of courses reviewed by me. I evaluate prices neutral, because there are little cheaper courses available in the market. Other way of saving money is, when there are more trainees from your company interested in training, you can get discount. Contact support center with describing how many participants there will be attending, and if any discount possible. You will get an answer within 24 hours, usually with positive feedback. All Six Sigma trainings in Go Lean are online, and self-paced. You have 1 year open window to go through the training, after the payment. Go Lean also provides trainer's option on top of training program. That means, that you can chase progress of all trainees that have assigned to this training. You can simply see all names from your company participating in the training. They call it wave. There can be several training waves monitored too. Ask Go Lean team to get trainer's option through support center. I give plus to Go Lean, for how this is organized. You will receive sign-in email, after the paying the course. There are details how to enter the course. Now you enter course initial page. There is overview of your progress on the right side. Percentage will grow with finalizing each training phase and the test. There are 6 phases. Introduction, and all DMAIC phases. You start the course by clicking Continue this course button. There are visible training steps on the left side of the screen. You can hide it, if it is disturbing. Main training window is in the center of the screen. Each training phase has own journey. There are main project steps showed, and followed. There are roadside templates available to download for each project step. Theory is supported by examples in Bahama Bistro. Restaurant team is applying acquired knowledge in the case study. They are trying to address problems restaurant is facing, and improve it. Trainee is helping with filling documents, or reviewing information. I have to admit, that I love the ways this training created. Easy examples from restaurant environment almost everybody can understand, are supported by nice story of how project can be led. Nice job here. Big plus from my side for easy way of explaining Six Sigma principles, very nice examples, and trainee involvement in the training. Course is very well structured, and intuitive. Presentation is explained by virtual teacher. Voiceover is very pleasant and understandable. Is speaking nice and slow with perfect English. Trainee can read whole text on the right side of the screen in the notes section. This is great for not native speakers. Voice can be stopped and repeated anytime. People can follow training progress and all its steps in menu section. Another plus for Go Lean, for understandable training. Each training phase is closed by the test. Test contains up to 20 questions. And I have to say, that test is really disappointing. What makes it difficult is playing with words. For non-native speakers, which are most of my students, this is a great headache. Truth is, that 70% of questions are easy, when you read and listen carefully to the course. You must read carefully word by word in 30% of questions, and then to decide what can be the answer. Some of my trainees had to repeat some test sections like 6 or 7 times. When you imagine, that it takes 30 minutes to pass the test, it is quite of time, right? I have to admit, that I had to repeat test for measure and analyze phase 3 times, and I thought, how skilled am I in Six Sigma? Positive on taking test is, that there are endless repeating opportunities. Well, during a year window trainee has to get certified. What is also positive, that in the end, you will pass the test, but you must be patient. I give my first minus for Goleansixsigma tests, because of its difficulty. Training language is English. I am not aware of any other option Golean is providing. But this is understandable, because it is US company based in Hawaii. Support in the case of any difficulty is great. Use simple reply on received initial email with your challenge description. It was 48 hours maximum time I was waiting, and it was due to vacations. Normal reply is within 24 hours with really addressing your problem. 1 more plus goes to Golean team. By the end of the course, you get certification. You can download it from the sites, and you will receive it into your email in PDF format. It is worldwide recognized certification. You can share it on social media like LinkedIn or Facebook. Goleansixsigma is supporting different companies and its team with Lean Six Sigma trainings. What I suggest all the time when running training is, try to apply acquired knowledge immediately to some small project. I have created video with 5 simple training suggestions for not just first green belt projects. Little summary by the end. There are 7 evaluation criteria I have chosen to rate this training. 5 of them are positive, 1 out of them, the explaining Six Sigma, is super positive. Price criteria is neutral. I rated test difficulty as minus. Overall rating of Goleansixsigma Green Belt online course is positive. I strongly suggest Goleansixsigma as a Six Sigma training and certification company for English-speaking trainees. Take a look under the video, where you find a link to my blog, for more review details. There are available free Lean Six Sigma templates. If you find this video helpful, give us a like. And do not forget to subscribe. Looking forward to meeting you with the next video.